So the practical today is for our second year animal behaviour module. So throughout the module, our students have been learning about all different kinds of animal behaviour, but this is a chance for them to actually gain some practical hands-on experience with measuring behaviour in the lab. So we have collected some hermit crabs from Lou, from the rocky shore there, brought them back to the lab, and then our students are basically looking at anti-predator behaviour, so looking at startle responses in hermit crabs, how they respond to the potential presence of a predator, and how this response changes depending on the context. So if there are other crabs around, if there is food around, how crabs might then actually change how long they hide from predators for. It's important for them to actually just get some hands-on experience so that some of those concepts that we're teaching them about in lecture, they can actually kind of realise those properly by seeing how animals do actually behave, which I think is really important because we can tell them all of these things, but actually seeing it for yourself really makes you understand some of those concepts better. And it also gives them hands-on lab experience, hands-on experience working with animals, and actually asking questions and figuring out how to design experiments. And those things are obviously particularly applicable to research careers or lab-based careers, but also those kind of problem-solving skills are really important for any kind of careers they're going to go into.